Today I'm going to get something fixed. I'm taking the bike out after a few days. I'm out to do a little work on the bike and I get the rear tire pressure symbol coming up, the warning. So I'll need to check the air first. Hawa check kara dena. So here's the story. I recently got this Android Auto Carplay device. This is for motorcycles and I got it from a company called Podofo. This is the instrument that you see, the display. So this device connects to your Android Auto or CarPlay, whichever you have. I have a Android device. I use the Samsung, so it connects to the Android Auto. Seems to be working fine. There's no issues with that. So I got this about last month. I got it installed as well. I took it out because I didn't want to take a chance with the wiring, and I was a little confused about how to give the wiring to the ignition, otherwise it would be continuously running and also draining the battery. Now this particular model, I don't recollect the name exactly, it is some A501, something like that. I'll put it down. So it comes with two cameras, one in the front and one at the back, and it keeps recording and looping, so you can see what's going on. When it was fixed and we were checking, there was no issue with the camera. It was clear, right? Both front and rear, so we could switch between them, have a look what is happening. But once we fixed everything back, I mean the panels, and tightened up everything and fixed it, then we noticed that the image is not clear. So it's kind of ghost images where you're seeing three images on each camera. So, and absolutely blurred, flickering kind of thing, lines. Yeah, that's what it is, I guess. That's what it is called. It was raining on that day. It had gone dark. It was quite late, so we decided to do it another day. And then I had been out on a holiday. I didn't have the time to get it done, and since this mechanic had previously done it, the wiring, I thought it would be best if we go back to him so that he can open it up again and refix it and see what the issue is. It's connected directly to the Cardo headset which I have, the Cardo Edge. There was absolutely no issues. I was getting the sound loud and clear. I could move to the music. I could make phone calls. I did that also. So the display was working fine. I don't know why it's not working now suddenly again, like I said. It's almost 11:30 now in the morning, and we plan to catch up for a lunch. Our Hyderabad group, a few of our friends, my brother included. The time to meet is around 12:30. I don't know if I'll be in time. Let's see. This is the place. Here he is, the mechanic. We tried everything possible, disconnected the whole thing, tried to redo it, but still the same situation. It's not working, but the navigation maps is working, the Android Auto in total is working, able to make calls and everything, so that's good, except that we don't have the dash cams. It's already 1, so running late for the lunch. Anyway, I'll catch catch up with them for some time at least. And that whole place is called the Annex, the Sailing Club Annex. And here we go. This is the Sailing Annex.